Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Students Hub channel. Today we are doing a quiz about the parts of speech. So this is the quiz about the 8 parts of speech. This is what I will be testing you all. You need to write the answers for the 8 parts of speech that are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and lastly interjections. So these are the types of words in the English language, and the quiz is asking you to write the answers for them. So there are 16 questions in the quiz. You must identify the parts of speech of the word underline. I am going to start now. So for each question there are 4 choices, and they are A, B, C or D. Only one choice is correct. I will give you the correct answers at the end of the quiz, but not after one question. At the end of the quiz, I will give you the correct answers. So now let's get started. And our first question is, she is not going anywhere. Here the underlined word is going, and you are going to write the answer for the underlined word going, and the options are A, verb, B, preposition, C, adverb, and D, conjunction. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete. So next question is, he wrote quickly. Here the underlined word is quickly, and you have to write the answer for the underlined word quickly. And the options are A, interjection, B, noun, C, adverb, and D, pronoun. You have to write the answer for the underlined word quickly from these options. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. And the next question is, that is third question. Jen is running so fastly. Here the underlined word is so, and the options are A, pronoun, B, adverb, C, adjective, and D, conjunction. And you are going to write the answer for the underlined word so, and I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. And the next question, that is fourth question. She didn't attend the class because she is ill. Here the underlined word is because, and the options are A, verb, B, adjective, C, noun, and lastly D, conjunction. And we are going to write the answer for the underlined word because from these options, and I am giving you 10 seconds of time. And the next question, fifth, that is, Ben is an adorable baby. Here we can see the underlined word is adorable, and the options are A, pronoun, B, adjective, C, preposition, and lastly D, interjection. Now we are going to write the answer for adorable from these options. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. Okay, now next question is sixth one, that is, Sheila is watching movie. Here the underlined word is Sheila, and the options are A, verb, B, pronoun, C, noun, and lastly D, adverb. And now we are going to write the answer for the underlined word Sheila from these choices. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. Okay, now next question is congrats, you finally got your master degrees. Here the underlined word is congrats and the options are A. Preposition, B. Verb, C. Interjection, and lastly D. Conjunction. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. So the next question is the ball is at the door. Here the underlined word is it and the options are A. Verb, B. Preposition, C. Noun, and D. Adverb. And I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. I hope you completed, and next we are going to 9th question, that is it's time for me to go. Cheerio. Here the underlined word is cheerio and the options are A. Interjection, B. Adverb, C. Preposition, and finally D. Pronoun. And you are going to write the answer for the underlined word from these options. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. Okay, now let's look into next question, that is he is eating. Here the underlined word is he and the options are A. Adjective, B. Adverb, C. Noun, and lastly D. Pronoun. And I'm giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. Okay, now let's get into next question, that is 11th question. You can take either this, not this. Here the underlined word is nor and the options are A. Adjective, B. Conjunction, C. Noun, and lastly D. Pronoun. And you have to write this answer within 10 seconds. Complete it fast. Okay, now next question is choose anyone among the boxes. Choose anyone among the boxes. And the underlined word here is among. And the options are A. Interjection, B. Noun, C. Preposition, and D. Adverb. And I'm giving you 10 seconds of time to complete this question. Okay, now next question is Ravi wants to go to office. Here the underlined word is Ravi and the options are A. Adjective, B. Noun, C. Pronoun, and D. Conjunction. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete this. Okay, now next question is they went to garden. Here the underlined word is they and the options are A. Noun, B. Adjective, C. Pronoun, and D. Verb. And you have to write the answer for this question. From these options, I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. Okay, now let's get into next question, that is 15th. She is cooking food. Here the underlined word is cooking and the options are A. Verb. B. Conjunction. C. Adverb. And lastly, D. Preposition. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. Okay, now the last question is, he writes meaningless letters. Here the underlined word is meaningless and the options are A. Noun, B. Verb, C. Pronoun, and lastly D. Adjective. I am giving you 10 seconds of time to complete it. Okay, now all questions are completed and I am now going to tell the answers of these questions. First question is, she is not going anywhere. Here the answer is A. Verb. Why the answer is verb? Because going is an action word. Going means they are going somewhere. She is going somewhere. So going is an action word. So it is verb. Answer is verb here. Next question is, he wrote quickly. Here the underlined word is quickly and the answer is option C, adverb. Here why quickly is adverb? Because quickly is saying how much fastly he had written. He wrote quickly here. How much fast he wrote quickly is saying. So it is adverb. It is telling more about verb. It is describing verb here. So it is adverb. And we are going to next question, third question. Third question. Jen is running so fastly. Here the underlined word is so and the answer is option B, adverb. Here also why adverb? So is telling how fastly he is running. Jen is running. So it is describing adverb. An adverb describes another adverb too. So it is adverb. Next question is, she didn't attend the class because she is ill. Here the underlined word is because and the answer is option D, conjunction. Why here conjunction is the answer for because? Because she didn't attend the class. Yes, she didn't attend the class is one sentence. She is ill is another sentence. Because is joining two sentences here. So it is conjunction. Next question is, Ben is an adorable baby. Here the underlined word is adorable and the answer is option B, adjective. Why the answer is adjective? Because adorable is telling how the baby is. Means baby is here noun. Adjective tells more about noun. So it is adorable is adjective. Let's get into next question. Sheila is watching movie. Here the underlined word is Sheila and the answer is option C, noun. Why it is noun? Because Sheila is a name of a person. Sheila comes under the category of person. So it is noun. Next question is, congrats, you finally got your master degree. Here congrats is the underlined word and the answer is option C, interjection. Why interjection is the answer? Because congrats is an expression of joy. So it is interjection. Let's look into next question. That is, the ball is at the door. Here the underlined word is at and the answer is option B, preposition. Why preposition? Because the ball is the door. Here we can't understand where is the ball. If we add here preposition at, we can clear where is the ball. So here at is the preposition. Let's look into next question. It's time for me to go. Cheerio. Here the underlined word is cheerio and the correct answer for that is option A, interjection. Why interjection? Because Cheerio is an expression of joy. So it is interjection. Interjection means nothing but it's an expression or feeling of a person. So the next question is he is eating. Here the underlined word is he, and the correct answer for it is option D, pronoun. Why pronoun? Because pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Here he means there is a name. Instead of name, here we are using he. So it is pronoun. Okay, now let's get into next question. That is, you can take either this nor this. Here the underlined word is nor. And the correct answer for this is conjunction. Why conjunction? Because you can take either this. This is a sentence. And this is another sentence. Here nor is joining two sentences. So it is conjunction. Let's look into next one. That is, choose any one among the boxes. Here underlined word is among, and the correct answer for this is option C, preposition. Why preposition? Because if we not use preposition here, we can read it as choose any one the boxes. Here we can't able to understand the relationship between them. If we use preposition here among in between the sentences, we can easily understand the sentence. So here among is preposition. Let's look into next question. That is, Ravi wants to go to office. Here the underlined word is Ravi, and the correct option is B, noun. Why noun? Because Ravi comes under the category of name of a person. So it is noun. Next question is, they went to garden. Here the underlined word is they, and the answer is option C, pronoun. Why pronoun? Because they is used instead of so many names. Pronoun is used instead of noun, so here they is used instead of many names. So it is pronoun. Now let's look into next question. That is, she is cooking food. Here the underlined word is cooking, and the answer is option A, verb. Here why verb is the answer? Because cooking is action word here. So it is verb. Let's look into next one and the last one. It is, he writes meaningless letters. Here the underlined word is meaningless, and meaningless is adjective. The option D, adjective, is the answer for meaningless. Why adjective is answered? Because here he writes letters. Here he writes letters is a simple sentence. But if we use meaningless here, means adjective meaningless is telling how he had written the letters. Adjective means that tells more about noun. Here meaningless is telling how he had written letters, so it is adjective. I hope you all written the correct answers, and thank you for watching.